Hey, hey you. Do you have a Z4 you want it to sound like this? But you don't want to spend money like this?
Hell no, man.
Seriously, why is it so expensive? But don't worry, you're in luck, as I'll show you the method. First things first though, this mod does not apply to all Z4s, as this only works on the pre-facelift models that came to M54 engine. If yours does not have an M54 engine, I'm sorry, this mod won't work for you. Now for materials, stuff you're going to need is a obviously ram air intake. You're going to need some sheet metal to make a custom bracket, something to cut that sheet metal, and a drill. Now I think the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Basically you'll cut the metal, make a custom bracket, drill 2 holes, never forgot to mention that. And the rest of it is basically like the instruction manual, how you fit on the intake, and it should look something like this. And just like that, you got a nice sounding intake for a fraction of the price. Now, I wouldn't really call this a colder intake as there's no heat shield, but personally, I would only do this mod to just want better sound. In terms of performance, haven't really noticed to drop anything. MPG seems normal, so I say if you just want something that sounds a bit better, go for it. Also, you found my tutorial useful. I'm glad. Not really used to like doing these kind of like how-to videos, and I guess I'll see you on the next one.